All right, last one. For the magnet, I got kettle. All right, let's start. Well, first I'm gonna go in with this one. Another two. Wait, yeah, this is another one.
They would have been turmeric shots.
Oh, I got some kombucha. Let me just take it out.
Oh, bacon.
Bacon.
Let's see it. Looks so real.
I know, it's turkey bacon, I think. Yum. This one? Ooh.
Jello.
Jello. Save that one for last. I got another one of these, but it's okay. This one feels big. Oh, it's something that you can make, I think.
We got something to make. Cool.
Please.
What are we gonna make?
Let's see. I think it's tiramisu.
What?
I think so.
Oh, let me see. Oh, yeah, it's like a...
Tiramisu cake.
Ooh. So we're gonna make that. Yeah.
Yay. Bye, besties.